Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this sumptuous, delicious, mouth-watering palm oil noodles. Yes, I called it oil. Oh yeah, now let's go. Ingredients I used in preparing my palm oil noodles include smoked catfish, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, noodles, onions, green peas, and carrot, and of course roughly blended ataro. Next thing I did was to cut my vegetables into smaller pieces, or smaller bits rather. And next I cut my onions too. I like to slice my onions into very flat slices. I love it a lot. Then I cut the remaining vegetables to the green bell, red bell, yellow, blah blah blah. And next I did was transfer them into a bowl, to keep for later. I took my fish, my smoked catfish, I deboned it. I mean, if there's any word like debone, to remove the bone, I deboned it. So the next thing I want to do is to fry my vegetables. I have to fry my vegetables so they are a little bit cooked, because they won't cook well in palm oil like they would in groundnut oil. So your vegetable oil, whichever one you're using. So once that is done, I transfer the vegetable out of the pot while I get my pot ready. Now the pot is ready, so I would add my palm oil. Yeah, like I said, palm oil, so you should know what's coming already. So I'm going to add the palm oil and allow it to eat for a while. This is not ayamase, or I'm not trying to fry anything that deep. So we don't need to fry eat the oil for a very very long time. Pardon me. You don't have to fry the oil for a very very long time. You just want it to eat, and then in goes your pepper, roughly blended pepper. Actually, roughly blended pepper, and after you added your roughly blended pepper, you allow that to cook for a while. Then in goes your smoked fish that you've already rinsed and prep, deboned, everything you need to do. So after that, I added my vegetables also. Keep stirring it so it doesn't get burnt, though I'm using a non-sticky pot, so nothing can go wrong here. Then I had my noodles seasoning. Yes, the noodles seasoning. The noodles comes with seasoning, unless you buy the one they pack without seasoning and all that. So while doing that, I make sure that my it's already getting done, and wow, my oh my, this is looking good already. So then I'll add my noodles, and I'll still continue to steer. This is a steering season, or more. They steer it like steer is like Ole is at the wheel. My you fans can relate. So you keep steering, and because for me to be able to steer, so I'm now using two spoons. To one goes back, one goes front, and all that. So I'm having fun, honestly. Now my noodles is done, and it's time to serve the noodles. So I'm serving the noodles. I mean, who wants to try this with me? Sorry, the table is just for one person. And one person get the tables. So I added turkey. I'm going to eat mine with turkey. Actually, I outsourced the turkey from one guy selling barbecue down my street. I would say it's the one that inspired the food, anyways. And the food cannot go like that. You understand? What is this kind of beautiful meal without a cold juice to step it down? Okay, shit. So I hope you had fun, Sha. I mean, I had fun while making the food, and thank you. Hope to see you guys another time on another video. Shit. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified anytime I drop a new video. Thank you, guys. Peace out.